Hello COVID, my old friend. I see you've come to infect again. What are new symptoms that you will bring? Left its seeds asymptomatically, and the feeling that was deep inside my chest needs some rest within the chills of lockdown. In restless times I walked alone, no one on streets inside their homes, too scared of corona's crown protein, showing symptoms after day 14, when my cells were stabbed by the spikes of viral strikes. High 10 by night, symptoms that come in lockdown. And in all the news that I saw, 10,000 nurses, maybe more, doctors diagnosed without testing, politicians speak without thinking, people sharing memes that give us all a laugh. Another first graph, disturbing news from lockdown. Wear a mask, I do not know. Misinformation like cancers grow. Hear Fauci's words that will teach you. Ignore fake science, someone preach to you. But my words, like silence on deaf ears fell, and echo Fox News on lockdown. And the right they bowed and prayed to the orange king they made, and Mother Nature flashed her warnings, while millions sat at home streaming. And the sign said we knew a pandemic was coming all along. China's still wrong. Listen to science.